In the 1930s, cars are not cheap. Do you know? Only 1 in 50 Germans owned a car in the 1930s. The Volkswagen is the most recognizable with the iconic Aircooled with the real engine, and it was commissioned by Adolf Hitler. Don't pray, in its 81 years run, since the manufacturing in 1938 and it was discontinued in the 2019. It has sold over 23 million units across 91 countries worldwide, including Singapore. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hello. Hello. 请一次。
I bought snack for my parents.
这个啊，好料。
哦，这个就是个钱。
Not any snack, but my mom's favorite snack.
Okay. Okay.
Today is a lovely cooling weather after rain, so we're gonna drive with the window down. We're gonna drive down to the east to meet the Volkswagen enthusiasts at Juchiet. Then we're gonna convoy to IKEA.
Take the next right onto Juchiet Lane, then turn right onto Tembeling Road.
I thought we are early, but most of them had already arrived. Welcome to the Volkswagn Meet. Between Volkswagen means people's car, because the Nazi dictator wanted it to be affordable to the general public. But the irony is Singapore has this thing called the COE Certificate of Entitlement, a system that controls the total vehicles on Singapore road. To register a vehicle on the road, one must first bid for the COE.
Morning, fist bump. Morning, welcome. Great to have you. Hello.
Successful COE bid, you are allowed to drive on the road for 10 years. Then every 10 years, you need to renew your COE.
Got ang pao now open for you. Morning. Fist. Okay. Fist bump, welcome.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Welcome.
Nice shirt.
Thank you.
One more, she's not ready.
She's very comfortable. Take out shoe,
Yes,
relax.
yes.
Got AC inside, right?
I have. This one
Wow,
have AC.
nice. Hello, morning. Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Fist bump, uncle. Hello,
Morning.
welcome. Morning, sir. Morning,
Sure.
morning. Alright, Teh.
Because I put here.
Fogging.
Fogging.
We'll go one round and then down this way. All the way down, right? It's just a straight road lah. After that, you turn right. Okay, I want to then the shopping mall lah. Turn right, and then you just follow the route all the way down. You will see center. It's the art center lah. Basically, we don't go too fast. This is not a race lah. Cruise together. Okay. Then if you see the roads are wide, I'm not saying here, so this here, you will realize that it's a very tight because on other roads, right, if it's wide, we don't keep to just one lane. So we stagger left, right. Then you will shorten the distance. So I understand, you know, convoy, sometimes you miss the traffic light and you break convoy, right? So it's also one lane. So you try to back up. Okay. So follow the GPS all the way down. Your next checkpoint will be at the southern or south. Okay, that's all the way after Galang already, all the way down. From there, right, on the way back, okay, I think we will hit Nico Highway. But at Nico Highway, that area, right, is also a straight road, easy to drive. But we will be taking KPE towards IKEA instead of the GPS. Because for Google Maps, right, they will route to the shortest or most convenient. But I think the expressway is easier. Okay. So after that, then that's it. Okay. So a few rules max speed we try to keep, or rather the speed we try to keep within 70 km to 80 km.
And we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
One thing about IKEA, the food is delicious, affordable, just like Volkswagen. They don't just sell furniture, they sell experience. People's food. So guys, remember, life is short. We only live life once, so just take care of the parents, because when we are young, they take care of us. Now they're old, it's our turn to return our gratitude and take care of them. So after makan, go for a slow walk. See, look, see. And of course, we always have room for dessert. 你一口我一口，越吃越可口。Ice cream that melt in your mouth but warm the heart. Yummy in my tummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, do consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. See you soon. Ciao.